Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our truck hardware finishing caps on a 2022 GMC Sierra HD. This is a 6-piece kit that will replace all factory protectors on your truck. So this kit will include finishing caps for the front of the rear, and rear of the vehicle. These caps are a great way to provide a finished look for your truck. With that out of the way, let's get started. To start, we'll begin by removing the factory stone guard on the front of the vehicle by unscrewing the hardware circled here. With those screws removed, go to the back of the guard and remove 2 more sets of screws circled here. You will need to set all this hardware aside for later reinstallation. With the screws removed, pull away the stone guard. Now that the factory guard is removed, we will begin installing our custom finishing cap. Get your finishing cap into position and begin loosely attaching it to the vehicle by reinstalling the factory hardware you removed from the stone guard earlier. Now that everything is loosely secured, take a moment to line up your finishing cap with the body of the vehicle so that no gap is visible where it meets the flare. Then, tighten all fasteners. Your front finishing cap is now installed. You can install your other Gatorback finishing caps using this same process. Simply remove the 5 factory screws holding the stone guard in place, and then using that same hardware, install your finishing cap. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.